Hello student, this is Mehnaz Khan from Gyanasthali Public School. Student, today we are going to discuss some important question answers of the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost from 10th class syllabus from your Fast Flight book. Student, before proceeding to our question answers, I want to discuss your format, how you will write in your notebook, how you maintain your notebook, because you will get 5 marks for notebook maintaining in your internal exam, student. This is also important. For poetry work, student, firstly you will mention your chapter number, means this is if we are going to write for first poem, then chapter number 1, then poem name, then poet name, then you will mention the theme of that poem, then you will mention character. If characters are there in your poem, then you will mention. If there is no character, then this heading is not required. And after this you will mention literary device and rhyme scheme. Stranger wise you will mention that how many literary device you are having in first stranger, what is the rhyme scheme, and how many literary device you are having in second stranger, what is the rhyme scheme. Like this for every stranger you will mention here on the first page. On second page, student, you will mention your vocabulary work. Firstly you will mention some new words and then the meaning of those new words in English. It may be the synonym of the words, and then Hindi meaning of the word. Student, you will find out Hindi meaning from your dictionary. Student, from third page onward you will write your question answers. Firstly short question answers you will mention, then you will write how you will write first question, then answer, and after writing answer, then you will leave first or one or two line, and then again you will start next question. Student, here are your short question answers. These are mentioned in your NCERT book. Our first question is, what is a dust of snow? What does the poet say has changed his mood? How has the poet's mood changed? And answer is, a dust of snow means the powder of snow which has been showered down by the movement of the crow when it choked down a snow-laden branch. The sudden shower of snow changed the poet's mood and depression and sadness to joy. And he was full of negativity when the powder of snow fell on him, and his simple little incident him made this happy for the rest of the day. Our next second question, short question is, how does Frost present nature in this poem? The following questions may help you to think of and answers. The questions, these are the questions. The first question is, what are the birds that are usually named in poems? Do you think a crow is often mentioned in poems? What image come in your mind when you think of a crow? Yeah, your next question. These are the question in question number 2. Again, what is a hemlock tree? Why does not the poet write about a more beautiful tree as such as a maple or an oak or a pine tree? Third question is, what do the crow and hemlock represent, joy or sorrow? What does the dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree stand for? An answer is, Frost has presented nature with an attitude of respect and the veneration. Crow, a black, harsh voiced bird, is a symbol of bad omen. Similarly, a hemlock tree is a poisonous plant with white blooms. The crow and hemlock tree represent sorrow and depression felt by him. On the other hand, the dust of snow is a symbol of nature, simple joy and energy. It means that after experiencing sad and depression moments, the poet experienced joy and optimism owing to nature. Our next question is, have there been times when you felt depressed or hopeless? Have you experienced a similar moment that changed your mood that day? And the answer is yes. There are often times when I have felt depressed and hopeless. I felt very depressed when my father could not buy for me a mobile phone that I wanted very much. I felt so depressed and cheated, but that night my mother made my favorite pudding and I forget my sadness. This way a simple event changed my mood. Student, this is not compulsory the same answer you mentioned for this question. This question is asking your personal experience. If you are having better personal experience, that experience you can mention here for the answer. Now next question. What was the poet's mood when he was standing under the hemlock tree? Answer. The poet was depressed and hopeless. He was in a state of sorrowful mood. Probably he was lost in his negative thoughts. Standing under the hemlock tree, it was by chance that he was standing under the hemlock tree. It is later that he received it as a symbol of his thoughts about the death and the negativity of life. Our next question is, what does the snow shower represent in the poem? Answer. The snow shower that falls on the poets represent the small thing that have the power, power to change and uplift man's mood. The poet was depressed and hopeless. The raining down of snow flake on him immediately improved his mood. He was cheered up. He felt joy and gratitude to be alive on a beautiful day. Our next question is, what is the tone of the poem Dust of Snow? Answer. In the beginning of the poem, the tone of dust of snow is sad, but when the poet describes the impact of the snow dust on him, he feels inspired. It reflects the change that has already taken place in the poet's heart from being sorrowful to joy after experiencing the shower of snowflake upon himself. He pleasantly conscious of the brightening of his mood. He now feels blessed to be alive and able to watch the appreciates nature's beautiful sights. Our next question is, what is the significance of hemlock in the poem? Answer. Hemlock is the name of the poisonous tree. Thus, the hemlock tree is a symbol of death. Walking by the hemlock tree could in fact have seemed like an ill omen to the poet and could have upset him further on the unpleasant day. Ironically, it improved to be opposite since the snow falling from its branch brought him out of negative mood. Our next question, why was the poet standing under the hemlock tree? Answer. The poet was depressed and hopeless. He was in a state of sorrow mood. Probably he was lost in his negative thought. Standing under the hemlock tree, it was by chance that he was standing under the hemlock tree. It is later that he perceived it as a symbol of his thoughts about the death and the negativity of life. Next question, what is the message of the poem? Frost suggests the falling of the snow on him was one of his many simple and apparently insignificant day-to-day events which had magical powers to transform one's negative moods into happy ones. He further suggests that the present is beautiful and man should not allow gloom and sorrow to spoil his precious time. Man must allow nature to work its magic on one's spirit or he will regret losing out on precious moment. And the last question, what make it a memorable poem? The poem is memorable because it deeps meaning of the importance enjoying the present moment which is expressed so simply and briefly. Hope student you have understood. You will note down these questions and learn them. Bye bye student.